Hello students, in this video we will go through the notes of chapter number 15, Fun with Magnets. Question number 1, fill in the blanks with the appropriate word. A. If a bar magnet is hung by a thread tied at its center, its north pole becomes steady in the direction of north pole of the earth. B. If a bar magnet is cut into equal pieces by cutting it at right angles to its axis at two places, three bar magnets are formed and a total of six poles are formed. C. There is repulsion between the like poles of a magnet and attraction between its opposite poles. D. When magnetic material is taken close to a magnet, the material acquires induced magnetism. E. If a magnet attracts a piece of metal, that piece must be made of magnetic material or iron. F. A magnet remains steady in north south direction. Question number 2. Which magnet will you use? A. Iron is to be separated from thrash. Electromagnet. B. You are lost in a forest. Mariner's compass. C. A window shutter opens and shuts continuously in the wind. Permanent magnet. Question number 3. Write the answers in your words. A. How is electromagnet made? Point 1. When an article of iron is wound by a copper wire and the electric current is sent through the wire, the magnetism is produced in the iron article. Point 2. When it is put off, the magnetism vanishes. Such a magnet is called an electromagnet. This magnetism is temporary. B. Write the properties of a magnet. The properties of a magnet are 1. A magnet always settles in the north south direction. Point number 2. The magnetic force is concentrated at the two ends or poles of a magnet. Property number 3. If a magnet is divided into two parts, two independent magnets are formed. It means that the two poles of a magnet cannot be separated from each other. Fourth point, a magnetic material acquires magnetism when placed near a magnet. This magnetism is called induced magnetism. And the last property, there is repulsion between like poles of a magnet while there is attraction between the opposite poles. C1. What are the practical uses of a magnet? The magnet is used in a doorbell and a crane. Point 2. The magnet is fixed to a pin holder or door of a cupboard as well. Point number 3. In the ATM cards, credit cards, in the hard disk of a computer, and audio or video tape, in the modern medical technique such as MRI, etc. Question number 4. How will you do this? A. Determine whether the material is magnetic or non magnetic. The material should be taken near to the magnet. If the material sticks to the magnet, the material is magnetic. If it does not stick, then it is non magnetic. B1. Explain that magnet has a certain magnetic field. Point 1. Place some iron filings on a sheet of a paper and pass a bar magnet over them. Point 2. Pick up the bar magnet by holding it in the center. Point 3. The iron filings will get attracted to the magnet only till a particular region. Point 4. The region when iron filings are attracted is the magnetic field. And the last one, find the north pole of a magnet. Suspend a magnet freely in the air with the help of a thread. The north pole of the magnet will point to the north direction, while the south pole of the magnet will point to the south direction. Thank you.